You told me you just need to hold me, no need for discussion. I told you you should set it up.
Hey Glam Dolls, it's your girl Ny'Ree and we are back with another video. So I already primed my face. I did my skincare routine. If you want to see what I did to prime my face, then go ahead and check out my other video. I'm going to leave that down in the link below. So I'm going to go in with my Mariale Too Faced palette. I guess it's like a Valentine's palette, but I am going to use that for our holiday look. It has so many cute Christmas colors. So I'm going to use the NYX TAME and Fame Ebony Eyebrow Pomade, and I am just going to fill in my brows. Okay, here I'm going to use an angle brush to clean up my eyebrows with a concealer. I love using an angle brush because it just helps me get the angles like perfectly. And I'm going to use the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the color Tan to highlight underneath my brow. Then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer Cool Tan. I'm going to use that on the top of my brows. It matches my skin tone a little bit better, so it kind of blends it out. And I just wanted the lower part of my eyebrow to have like a light or a highlighted look, and that kind of makes it pop. Right here I'm going to use my Sephora Pro Airbrush Concealer in the number 57 just to blend everything out to make it look nice and clean. I'm going to use this white NYX eyeshadow base to make the color pop a lot more. So the Mariale Too Faced palette is super pigmented, but I just wanted to, give it that vibrant look. I'm using this Laura Mercier translucent powder in order to set my eyes. So this is the palette that I'm going to be using, the Mariale. This is what we've all been waiting for. I love this palette, but as you can see, the hot and spicy just fell right out. I don't know where it went to, and I was so freaking shocked that it fell out because that's the one that I was getting ready to use first. I'm still gonna use that. I'm just gonna pack it in there, but I was shook. Like, look at my face. I was shook. Okay, I just wanted to be clear that when I started with the new color, I used a separate blending brush to blend that in together. So here I actually took a clean blending brush and I blend the other color that I put on out, just so it could give it an ombre effect instead of it being like it's just there, if you get what I'm saying. You're gonna see. This is my favorite part. Like, I'm going to cut the crease and then I'm gonna set in a solid color and then I'm gonna put the glittery color on top, and they're pretty much resemble the same color, but you have a base, so you're not just putting the glitter on top and it doesn't look right. So make sure you follow that step for sure. To be honest, for the glitter, just spray any finishing spray that you have on a flat brush, and that's how you'll easily pick up the glitter from the palette instead of it being free and you have a lot of fallout. So just make sure you do that step before you pick up any glitter with the brush. So now I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Liner Eyeliner in the color Black. It shows up matte and it is a liquid eyeliner. I love it. I really do. It's so easy to use. I am done with my eyes, so now I'm gonna go with my face. I'm gonna use the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It just gives my face a dewy but glowy look. Like, I love this stuff. Go cop right now. Now I'm going to use my Makeup Forever Ultra HD, the Invisible Cover Foundation, and mine is in the color Y425. It just shows up so good. Oh my gosh. Like, it doesn't look heavy or cakey like a full coverage foundation. It's just right. It's lightweight, but it's full coverage. Like, I don't understand it. But yeah, go cop that too. My secret combo is using Tarte Creaseless Concealer and LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan together. So I don't want my face to be stark white, but I do want it to be highlighted but still with a little bit of color. That's the reason why I use those two together, and it works perfectly. Want to know details on how to highlight and contour your face? I actually have a video on my channel. I'm going to pop that in the upper right hand corner for you. If you want to check that out now before you get finished with your look, then you can go ahead. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set everything. Okay, so for contouring, I'm going to use the contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills from medium to tan. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place The Royalty by Juvia's loose highlighter, and I love this. It is such a nice color, very pigmented. Go cop that. I got this from an Ipsy subscription, so it's called Pacifica, the coconut blush. So there's Beaming and Tenderhearted. So the one that I'm using is called Beaming, and I think this would be a cute blush for the look that I'm doing. To finish, I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. So it has coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. It is silicone free, alcohol free, and oil free. I love using this so much. So I'm just checking it, making sure everything is good, and I'm just spraying that all over my face. I also use the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. I also use the NYX lip liner in Nude Truffle, and I use the Too Faced Lip Injection lip gloss in the color Pink Pony. I love this lip combo. It is everything. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.